I could think of, and we made love.
Satellite!
Passing out $100 bills. We made love. Passing out $100 bills.
Everybody says, sing my horns, ride a cowboy, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, sing my horns, ride a cowboy, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, sing my horns, ride a cowboy, sing my horns. Everybody says, sing my horns. Everybody says, sing my horns. Everybody says, sing my horns, ride a cowboy.
Let's learn Save the Horse. It's choreographed by Beverly D'Angelo and Johnny Montana. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Save the Horse. Weight's going to start on your left foot to start the dance. We're going to do side mambo, so we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're going to repeat that to the left, so we're going to rock our left foot to the side, recover on your right, cross your left over your right. You can also make those scissors. It's up to you. I do side mambos, but you can also do scissors by bringing that left foot into your right. So you'd go side together, cross, side together, cross. Both are listed on the step sheet, but the mambos are the most well known. From here, we're going to step forward with our right. You're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, keeping your weight on your right foot, and you're going to kick your left foot forward. We're now going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that part with some counts. We're doing our mambo to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Facing 6 o'clock, weights on your left foot. Section 2, we're going to skate, and lock step. So we're going to take our right foot, you're going to bring it in towards your left and then push it out toward the right to stake weight on that right foot. Now you're going to do the same thing with the left. You're going to bring it in towards your right, push it out towards the left and take weight on that left foot. We're now going to do a locking shuffle forward. So we're going to step our right foot forward, lock our left behind our right, step our right foot forward. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a locking shuffle back, stepping that left foot back, cross right over left, left foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're going to skate. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side with slightly bent knees. You're now going to sway your hips right, left, and now you're going to do 2 sailor steps, right behind, left out, left behind, right out, left out. So let's try that with some counts. We did our locking step back, you're turning. Your sway is going to happen as soon as you turn. So we're making that quarter turn, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to do a half paddle around. So over your left shoulder, you're going to bring your right knee up and touch it down, making an 1/8 of a turn. You're now going to do that again. Bring your right knee up, make an 1/8 of a turn, touch it down. Make another 1/8 of a turn, bring your right knee up, touch it down. One more, 1/8 of a turn, bring your right knee up and touch it down. We're now going to do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. And then we're going to do 3 stomps forward, stomp left, left. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just ended with our weight on our left foot. You're going to do your paddle around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall. Let's do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to do your side mambos or your scissor steps. So we're going to rock to the side. Rock and cross, step, half kick left, coaster, step, skate right, left, locking shuffle, rock, recover, left, locking shuffle, back, quarter sway, 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 right, sailor, left, sailor, now your paddle, eighth, 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 right, coaster, step, stomp, stomp, stomp. Ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, you're mamboing to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then you would start with your rocks again. Now, that is how it's choreographed on the step sheet. When you go out to dance it, you may see people adding some variations into it. I know where I dance, some people like to squat and kick instead of do hip sways. So just kind of adjust to wherever you're dancing and the extra stuff that you add in. If you would also like to add it in, that would be the time to do it, or you can just dance it how it's choreographed. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to do all 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, we're going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our mambo cross. So we're going side rock cross, step half kick, and your coaster step, skate, skate, locking shuffle, rock, recover, locking shuffle, back, quarter sway, 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 right sailor, left sailor, now your paddle around, eighth, 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 right coaster step and stomp, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, side rock cross, step half kick in your coaster step, skate, skate, locking shuffle, rock, recover, locking shuffle, back quarter sway, 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 right sailor, left sailor, paddle around, eighth, 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 coaster step and stomp, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So I hope this helps you learn Save the Horse. It's a very popular dance near me. So I hope it becomes a popular dance near you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.